For this number 10, derivative is a quotient. So it's one big fraction, so you have to do the bottom times derivative of the top minus top times derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. So here's quotient rule. So y prime is going to be the bottom, which is 3x to the fourth minus 2 times the derivative of the top, which is a power of x cubed plus 4. So the 5 comes down, the x cubed plus 4 gets decreased by 1 power to power of 4, and because it's not simply x to that power of 5, originally you multiply by the derivative of x cubed plus 4, which is going to be 3x squared. So all that's a derivative of the top, minus the top, which was x cubed plus 4 to the 5th power, times the derivative of the bottom, which is going to be 12x cubed. And then all of that is over the denominator squared. So it's 3x to the 4th power minus 2, the quantity squared. And now it's a matter of simplifying. So if you want to pause the video and finish it and check back later, good time to do that. Otherwise, I'll work on the rest of it. The top of this fraction, not a lot of simplifying that I can do, but I notice that I have an x squared and a 3 that I could take out of the top, and I have x cubed plus 4 to the 4th power. So I'm going to take out a factor of 3 and a factor of x squared, and I'm going to take out x cubed plus 4 to the 4th power. So those are common factors that I have in the top of that fraction, and the bottom is not going to change at all. The top I'm not done with, but I'm just going to rewrite this down, and all the rest of it is going to be taking out that common factor. So from the left side of this minus sign, I've got to put down what's left over, so my common factor here multiplies and creates that left side. I had 3x squared, that's right there, I need a 5. I took away all 4 factors of x cubed plus 4, but I still have left this 3x to the 4th minus 2. And then minus, I need all of this to make this amount. X cubed plus 4 to the 4th, I need one more factor of that. So I need 1x cubed plus 4. I'll put that there in parentheses. And I need that times a 4 times 3 makes 12, and an x. So that's going to be what's there. And now I want to simplify what's on top of that fraction. So 3x squared stays put. X cubed plus 4 to the 4th power stays put. What's in brackets here? 5 times 3x to the 4th is going to be 15x to the 4th minus 10. Then I have minus 4x times x cubed is going to be minus 4x to the 4th. And the minus 4 times 4x is minus 16x. All over that denominator. And then it's simply a matter of a little bit more simplifying what's in that bracket. So this stays 3x squared. This is going to stay x cubed plus 4 to the 4th power. And here I have 15x to the 4th minus 4x to the 4th is 11x to the 4th minus 16x minus 10. And my denominator is still that 3x to the 4th minus 2 squared. And that's just a little mark right there. So that is the answer for number 10. Don't forget product and quotient rules, and sometimes chain rule is required while you're doing the product and quotient rules for those problems.